Hello everyone, Kimberly here. Welcome to day 8 of the Learn to Speak English Without Fear 33-Day Challenge. It's so good to have you back on this journey to real life English. If you were with me on day 3, you remember that we uncovered music of speech. We talked about finding your real, authentic voice, not the robotic one. Today, we take that foundation and turn it into momentum. We talked about finding your voice. Now we're going to talk about using it every single day. This isn't about grand transformations. It's about subtle shifts that create massive change. If you're ready to make English part of your daily rhythm, hit that like button, comment, power up so I can feel your energy, and share this video with one person who needs that boost today. You have a dream, right? To speak English fluently, to feel free in conversations, to connect, to travel, to grow in your career. And yes, I've said it before, you can accelerate years of English into just months. It sounds wild, but it can happen. The biggest enemy to that acceleration isn't lack of talent. It's not even lack of time. It's being overwhelmed. You look at the mountain: grammar, vocabulary, listening, speaking, reading, podcasts, movies, apps, books, and you freeze. You start strong, full of good intentions. Then life happens. Responsibilities pile up. And slowly, quietly, that old robotic English creeps back in. The hesitation, the doubt, the tightness in your chest. It feels like you're losing all the progress you've made, doesn't it? But what if I told you the secret to accelerating your English doesn't take a heroic effort? It's not studying 2 hours a day. It's not sacrificing your life. It's unstoppable consistency. And the tool that makes consistency effortless? Micro habits. Tiny actions. Almost laughably small. So small, they're impossible to fail. These actions bypass resistance. They never trigger that too much work alarm. They create momentum, quietly and powerfully. Remember the music of speech from day 3? The rhythm, the melody. Micro habits keep that music alive every day until English becomes second nature to you. Let's make this happen. How do you integrate these tiny power-ups into your life? Start off in the morning power-up, before you've had your coffee, while you're brushing your teeth. You spend 2 minutes shadowing. Shadow the news or shadow the lyrics of a song. Find a short clip, a phrase from a song that you love. Play it, shadow it. Pay attention to rhythm and intonation, not perfection. I'm going to demonstrate for you. I'm going to show you a short clip of a song to demonstrate how we're going to do this. Watch.
How do you solve a problem like Maria?
Okay, what did she say? She sang, how do you solve a problem like Maria? Now I want you to repeat that with me. How do you solve a problem like Maria? One more time. How do you solve a problem like Maria? Do you notice how the rhythm makes the words feel more natural? How they flow together easily? It's a quick jolt of English, a jump start for your day. In the middle of the day, I want you to do a midday boost while you're standing in line at the bank, in traffic, waiting for your coffee. I want you to think 3 thoughts in English. No pressure, no judgment. Just shift your inner voice. Think, for example, I'm hungry. This line is long. I need to make a phone call. A secret micro workout, invisible, effective. And in the evening while you're winding down, watching TV, scrolling through YouTube, watch 1 minute of your favorite English show. Just one. Shadow one impactful line. I'm going to do it again. We're going to show you a short clip. I want you to watch it and listen.
Oh, Auntie Em, there's no place like home.
Okay, what did she say? Oh, Auntie Em, there's no place like home. Say it with me. Oh, Auntie Em, there's no place like home. One more time. Oh, Auntie Em, there's no place like home. Don't just watch. Participate. Let English become a part of you. These aren't rules, they're invitations. Tiny doors you open throughout your day. Every tiny habit is a brick, a small, perfect brick. You're not studying English. You're building English, building confidence, building identity, brick by brick, day by day. Imagine 365 tiny power-ups in a year. Imagine the compounding effect. This is how you leap years ahead, not through magic, through consistency. This isn't about perfection. It's about persistence. It's about showing up for your dream in small, meaningful ways. Here's your 24-hour challenge. Pick one micro habit from today. Just one. Commit to it. Make it ridiculously easy to succeed. Do it tomorrow. Then go to my DMs and send me the word power. When you send me the word power, I'll send you a special resource, a simple, powerful tracker to help you build and maintain micro habits that will transform your English. This isn't just learning English, it's rewiring your relationship with the language. This is how you stop saying, I want to speak English, and start saying, I'm speaking English. Remember, micro habits unlock consistency. Consistency unlocks fluency. Don't wait for motivation. Build the habit. The motivation will follow. Be brave. Be consistent. Be yourself, powered up. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9. Same energy, same passion, same commitment to your journey. Bye-bye for now. God bless.